Well, insurance-wise, if we were going around recommending that everyone have a 1 litre EcoBoost Fiesta or something like that, but what you find with the insurance is it's just expensive to have them because they're turbocharged. So if I was to buy my daughter a car today, I'd probably go for something like a Hyundai or a Kia or something across them lines, because they're solid cars, good miles per gallon. Never really see them in the garage. All right, you got that stereotypical don't buy a Hyundai because it's not a Ford or it's not a Vauxhall and doesn't look cool or anything, but as repair-wise, they're probably the best thing that's on the road. The little i10s, i20s, i40s. And then if you're gonna buy, if you're experienced and you have a car and it's not your first time, anything from Audi, Skoda, VAG Group, just lovely cars to drive, solid cars to drive. And yes, if they do break, it does cost. It is quite expensive to repair, but you know, you get a 100 pow good car out of an Audi, Volkswagen, something like that, you're only going to be talking 50,000-60,000 out of a Ford before you start getting big repairs needing. So I'd rather have the more expensive at that point. But again, first time buyers, Hyundai, anything like that.